In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up an Airbnb account. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign up option and click or tap it to begin creating your account. Airbnb will give you a few different ways to sign up. You can usually use your email address, your phone number, or a connected account, such as Google or Apple. Choose the option that feels most convenient for you. If you want a more traditional setup, using your email address is often the easiest way to keep track of account notifications and trip details. Next, enter your personal information, including your full name, your date of birth, and either your email address or phone number, depending on the sign-up method you selected. Make sure everything is entered accurately, since this information can be important later for bookings, communication, and account verification. If you're signing up with an email address, you'll also need to create a strong password. Try to choose something secure that combines upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A strong password helps protect your account, especially since payment details and travel plans may be connected to it. After that, Airbnb will send a verification code to your email address or phone number. Enter that code when prompted to confirm that your contact information is valid. This step is important because it helps secure your account and ensures you can receive updates about reservations or messages. Once verified, review and accept Airbnb's terms of service and privacy policy to continue. After that, you can complete your profile by adding a profile photo and any extra personal details you'd like to share. A complete profile can help build trust, especially when interacting with hosts or guests. In some cases, Airbnb may ask you to verify your identity. If that happens, follow the prompts carefully. Identity verification can help unlock certain features and may be required before completing some bookings. To finish setting up your account, go to Account, then Payments, and add your preferred payment method. This makes booking faster and smoother when you're ready to reserve a stay. You can also set your travel preferences based on how you plan to use Airbnb, and if you want to list a property instead of just booking trips, you can switch into hosting mode and start preparing your listing. Once all of that is done, your account is ready to use. You can start searching for places to stay, booking trips, messaging hosts, or even creating your first listing. And that's how to create and set up an Airbnb account.